Hi, welcome to today's tutorial session. My name is Wong and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to search, make an offer, and to bid for your favorite property on rentlab.com.my. Rentlab is Malaysia's first property rental bidding portal. First of all, you will need to register for a free account and you need to log in to your account. Next, update your My Profile page, and after which our system will actually create a verified account for you, and with that account you'll be able to search and to bid for the properties that you are interested in. On the main page, you will find that the properties are listed in 3 sections. First section will show all properties available for rent. The second section will show the property that's available and is open for bidding. And the final section will be the property listed under the bidding ending soon, and the bidding session shall end within 48 hours. So let's say we are interested in this first property. We click on the property, and this shall bring us to the property detail page. And on this page, you will see the full information about the property, including the full address, the minimum asking rent of the property, the photos galleries, okay, sections on the bidding, as well as all the detailed information about the properties, including number of bedroom, bathrooms, parking bays, year built of the property, built up, property details, including the main door facing, ceiling height, power supply, okay, as well as all the information about the rental terms and condition, available date, and this property is listed for 2 + 1 years, tenancy period, extension period, the deposit that is required, whether a sublet is allowed, electricity charges, whether it's included or not, and if there's any special terms and conditions set forth by the landlord. There will be a description on the properties, includes the unit itself, the surrounding and the amenities, any other additional details of the properties, the property attachment, which listed here is the inventory list, the 2D floor plans of the property, as well as the 3D immersive 360-degree immersive walkthrough that is going to provide a very detailed walkthrough of the properties, the map, and a very good visualization of the property through the 3D floor plan that is provided on the property. Next, the photos of the property are categorized in different sections, including the bathroom, bedroom, other rooms, property external features, the facilities and surroundings, dining hall, living hall, view from the units. So with that, if you are happy, you can scroll up. If you're happy with the property, click on bid now to bid for the property. And for this session, we can see that the starting session for the bidding will be on the 11th of July 2022, 11:30 a.m. and it shall end at 12 p.m. There's 12 more minutes left till the start of the bidding. So let's wait for the bidding to start. Hi, welcome back. So let's say now the bidding has started. So we will see that the listing for this property will show that bidding has started, and in this case, it is going to end within 48 hours. So we are interested to bid for this property. We shall click on the property listing and it brings us again to the property detail page. So on this page, we shall be able to see that it shows us the time of the start of the bidding period as well as the end time for the bidding period. And in this case, it shows us there's 27 minutes left. So let's proceed to bid now. On the bidding page, we shall able to see the required fields that are needed for us to fill in when we bid for the property. Let's say we are interested to take the commencement date for this property starting 1st of August. And this tenancy shall expire in 2023, 31st of July for a 1-year period. We shall use this property for family use, and if there's any special request, for example, landlord to service or aircon units, we can include this as our special request to the landlords. Next, if you would like to visit and inspect the property before executing the tenancy agreement, you can select this option to inform the landlord, as well as if you are happy to execute the tenancy agreement via digital signing and online stamping for a more efficient and seamless experience, you can click this option as well. Provide information such as I shall occupy this property or someone else will occupy this property. Signing of agreement, I will sign this tenancy agreement, or my nominee will sign this agreement, or this tenancy agreement will be signed by my company. And finally, to enter your bid, the current minimum asking rate is 1,500. So you can start with 1,500 or you can increase your bid accordingly. We recommend that you bid responsibly as well as according to your budget for renting for your accommodation. So let's say we start with 1,500. So let's click bid, and information will provide to inform you that at the end of the bidding period, you'll be required to deposit a consideration sum equivalent to 10% of your bid amount or 500 ringgit, whichever is higher. And this shall be required if you are the top 3 bidder and to make the payment within 48 hours. So let's agree and we shall proceed. And as you can see, our bidding has been successfully accepted, and this is shown, okay, at the bids information below. Okay, bidding at 1,500 at this date.